Great. He just got up. That was cool. I'm ready to build our tree house.
Chewy.
Cameron, I'm thinking instead of building it that high, we just come down a little bit and don't have to come in. No, I want it to be in the air. I know, but it'll be in the air, but not as high. I just want to be about...
What are you doing, Chewy?
Not falling shit in the tree. I just want to be like right there and in the box. Alright. I'm going to do it. You're confident. Oh, now Chewy's the big thing. Before,
It's like I want to do a shovel.